Okay, girls, so tell me about this, about writing a report. What have you done today?
Okay, first of all, we decided to ask some questions. We chose 6 questions about, we were more interested about the students. And then we went to 2 groups to ask those questions. All of them were from different levels and they gave us all kind of different answers. And now, Paola, Paola took some notes of the answer for the first group and the second group.
My handwriting is not so good.
Yeah.
When I am
So now, with this information, we are trying to get only one, consolidate one, then so we can organize our report, just starting with the introduction, students' positive perceptions, the negative too, and some recommendations.
Okay, so you're basically going to divide it into positive and negative. But within each heading, you might have some subheadings, right?
Yeah.
Like which ones are positive, which ones are negative.
But here we can organize not using positive and negative.
Sure.
We can use, for example, pressure on the main idea that we use on
I think that's good, because that was like a really important point, right? So pressure on students, you know, this is something that's negative, but the heading is not negative perceptions, it's pressure on students. Exactly.
The other title will be